Hi, and thank you for joining me today. My name is Pamela Venditti, and I've been a licensed esthetician for nearly 20 years. I've spent many of those years in the treatment room, seeing a variety of skin concerns and helping clients achieve their skin goals. It is a true pleasure for me to share the NeoGenesis story and science with you, as well as our heartfelt mission and the conditions we treat. NeoGenesis was born out of decades of laboratory and clinical research by Dr. Greg McGuire beginning in 1985. By 1995, Dr. McGuire began to work with adult stem cells. Science had shown that stem cells could replicate themselves and then become almost any type of mature cell in the human body. He became aware that when a normal adult stem cell was implanted in the brain tissue was regenerating, and that the skin directly adjacent to the implant had become smoother, tighter, and had a lovely quality, much like a young child's skin. These observations led to further studies and to the eventual formulation of the NeoGenesis line of stem cell-based products. During his work with stem cells, Dr. McGuire learned that the therapeutic benefit of stem cells comes from the molecules or proteins they release, not the stem cell itself. This is key. So let me say that again. The therapeutic benefits of the stem cell is not from the stem cell itself, but from the molecules that they release. Work over the years by prestigious laboratories has shown that stem cell function and the number and the quality of the molecules released by the stem cells declines as we age. So our ability to maintain and heal ourselves also declines as we age. The question became, what if we could restore the molecules to their normal levels in damaged tissue? We are able to deliver back into the skin all of the molecules that young and healthy skin has, so it can return to a state of health and radiance. Providing all of these necessary nutrients is called systems therapeutics, a natural approach to healing. We are able to treat a wide variety of conditions, including aging, acne, rosacea, chronic skin conditions such as eczema or psoriasis, hair loss and thinning, and we are oncology safe. We provide advanced products that bring the best results to the treatments provided by skincare professionals. NeoGenesis has a passion and commitment to supporting the oncology community. We partner with others to serve this community and provide products and support to those in need but who can't afford it. We improve the quality of life for those undergoing cancer treatments. NeoGenesis uses adult human stem cells that are skin resident and found in the deep dermal layer and subcutaneous layer of the skin. These are the same stem cells whose job it is throughout our lives to repair and maintain the skin. NeoGenesis gets these adult stem cells from tissue banks in the United States that are very highly regulated by the FDA. These stem cells come from live donors. There are other sources of stem cells used in some lines, which you've heard of, such as plant stem cells or bone marrow stem cells. Plant stem cells cannot communicate with our tissue and are more protective in their role as opposed to regenerative. Bone marrow stem cells are called into skin repair when the skin is seriously damaged and it must quickly proliferate to close a wound and stop serious infections. That isn't appropriate for long-term use, as increased proliferation will pro-age the skin and cause increased inflammation. Our lab process mimics the process the body uses to naturally produce stem cell released molecules. In our body, when our skin cells are damaged, they send out a signal to those skin-resident stem cells. That signal activates the stem cells to begin releasing the healing molecules. Those molecules are made of proteins that are used by the skin for repair and maintenance, such as growth factors, cytokines, antioxidant cascades, heat shock proteins, and others. These molecules go through a process where they transform into three-dimensional, correctly folded shapes. Once they are correctly folded, the stem cell releases a lipid membrane known as the exosome, that envelops the molecules, providing protection and an intelligent delivery system. Exosomes are nature's smart liposome. They are able to receive the signal sent by damaged cells, and then like a heat-seeking missile, they travel directly to the damaged cells where they deliver the needed molecules for repair. This happens billions of times a day in our bodies, but as our own stem cells decline in function, we can provide a topical backup or solution as that exosome can travel through the skin barrier, pick up on the signal, and go directly to the damaged cells. We are a gluten-free line, and you can feel at ease as we love animals and we never engage in animal testing, nor do our product formulas contain any animal-derived ingredients. Thank you so much for your time today. Please visit our website for more information about our mission, our products, our science, and how you can partner with us.